LG.
Someday I know that life will get better.
May narinig ka ba sa internet tungkol sa pagkain ng tao araw-araw? Kasi sabi ng eksperto na ang pagkain daw ng tao is supposedly once a day or twice a day or twice a week, ganun daw. Kasi daw ang katawan ng tao ay hindi gawa para kumain ng kumain, para maglagay ng kahit anong pagkain sa katawan, sa loob ng katawan. Kaya doon nagkakaroon ng sakit ang mga tao. Kaya nagkakasakit ang mga tao dahil doon. Kung totoo man yun, siguro gumagawa ko ng tama kasi wala akong makain, isang beses lang ako kumakain sa loob ng isang araw. So, alamin natin, ano ba talaga ang bilid dyan? Kumuha ng eksperto.
We wait for you to get sick. And you do, then once you are sick, we don't restore your health. We merely manage your symptoms. So we can manage your high blood pressure. We can manage your cholesterol. We can manage your pain, your arthritis pain. We can manage your diabetes. We don't cure you. The current healthcare system is a hoax. People have gone on a 40-day fast and cured their cancer. The body was never designed to eat 3 meals a day. Every day we were hunter-gatherers. We would find food. We'd eat it. We'd go without food till we found more. But we eat food all the time. We weren't designed to do that. And so you need to give the digestive system a rest. It's very, very active. You're putting a lot of wear and tear on the digestive system.
Yun nga ang sabi. Bawal, hindi naman bawal, pero ginawa ang pagkain 3 beses ang araw ng mga businessman. Sila mismo ang may sala kung bakit nasanay ang mga tao na kumain ng 3 beses sa loob ng isang araw. So ano pang hinihintay mo? Huwag kang kakain, ha?